If you're watching the UAP Women's Volleyball Competition, ito yung sinabi mo kanina.
Look at that. Oh, tingnan mo yung left hand nga ni, ni Eulalia.
Ganun kalakas, ano?
And I don't know if Vargas saw the hand of Eulalia, but...
Sabay kasi silang tumalon
that's right. One of the rare instances you're gonna see. Wasn't that supposed to be called 2 touches? Diba? Pagka the third touch na ni Vargas dapat yun, diba?
Hindi, pero regalo yun.
Regalo.
Galing regalo. So second touch.
Second touch. So if that point ever was made, that should have gone to Eulalia being the last person to touch the ball.
At the service zone for FEU.
Vargas now back serving.
Vargas.
A lot of talking in the net today. Lazaro quickly. Hervasio unable to put that away.
Ooh.
That's out. Baniel.
That's right. She wasn't in a good position to hit that back set. Hindi pa tapos yung approach niya. She had to abruptly stop because she was underneath the ball already.
Full front line for Jem Ferrer. Nakachi, Hervasio, Kainglet. Basas could not handle that.
Tough set there. Underhand set for Giselle.
Yep. The timeout here by Coach Nes Pamilar.
I'm out. Lady time. Team FEU.
Ano ba, hindi naman yung buwang blocks yun, tapos hindi ka nakahanda. Natausan kayo, kumantala na yun. Siya na kayo matausan. Ikakataon nyo pumalo, ayaw nyo pumalo. Ano problema, Bicol? Ano problema? Ha? Ayusin mo. Focus ka sa ginagawa mo.
Tulong-tulong. Pagbalik. Gusto na natin. Gawa na ng paraan. Tapos,
12 years of coaching experience for that man with both the men's and the women's. 8 years for the men's, 4 years for the women's. When I found out about the 4 years for the women's, parang hindi ako makapaniwala. Parang tagal-tagal na natin yung kino-cover.
That's right.
Ian.
That's right.
Sa women's.
And who was the coach na pinalitan niya?
Yun na nga yung parang, that's what I was trying to remember. Yeah. A great attack there after getting scolded by Coach Nes. Baniel responding. And that's great volleyball for you. You don't hang your head. You try to make up in the next play.
For FEU.
15 serving 18. Ferrer. In their hand set. Again, reception problems for the number 2 team. Kainglet, this time, no more off speed. She powers that through.
That's right, making sure this time she saw the opening. There's only one block coverage and it was Giselle C. Ayun o, laki ng butas. So Kainglet spotting it right away.
For Ateneo.
Zia Hervasio will go to her jump serve as they lead by 4.
Ooh!
Ouch.
Getting Nakachi.
16.
And Coach Macker, courtside Barker said, ouch. For Nakachi.
Manila. For FEU.
Eulalia. Kainglet is there again, and what a disguise by Phil Kainglet.
Nice move from Phil.
A good dig also by De Jesus.
Yeah.
She was out of position. Look at that. Look at the pullback of that arm.
That's right. That's the thing that really pulls up your blockers. No? Pag nakita yung swing ng arm mo, parang itotodo mo, and that pulled everyone from FEU. Especially that her previous hit was really one of those power hits in the middle. Nice.
Sila naman ang binawian. Giselle C. has learned a thing or two from Jem Ferrer when it comes to those things. Still no sign, by the way, of Gretchen Ho here in the first set. De Jesus started for the Lady Eagles. Try to find out if there's an issue physically for Gretchen. She had a sprained ankle around 2.5 weeks ago, if you remember. Valdez.
That's inside.
Right on the line.
And that was far from the net, Doc. We were right in front or behind her. As you see, Gretchen Ho still not seeing action yet.
Team captain, Phil Kainglet.
It's a wonderful attack from Elisa Valdez. Sent back. Vargas tries again. Herbacio digs. De Jesus against two blockers. It's still amazing. Sometimes when she goes high up for those attacks. Always ready to play this girl, Jorella De Jesus. 22-17, FU timeout.
Dalawang maliit. Huwag ka dito magbigay ng play. Pag iwailay mo dyan. Dito mo patakin yung dalawang spiker mo. So pag ganunin mo kaya si May, si Rose para ma-single doon. Ngayon, pagka nakita, May, maliit dito. Huwag mo lang i-diagonal. Pag diniagonal mo, malaki yung blocker doon. Tinitin mo yung straight doon. Tingnan mo lang yung bola, ha? Sige.
Well, they lost the first set also of that first meeting in the first round. Talking about FEU.
Well, Coach Ness drawing out the play. He recognizes that there are shorter blockers on the other end. So sabi niya, huwag mo nang ibalik sa diagonal, idiretso mo na lang down the line for the back wake or the running spike.
Iloilo native, Kainglet, serving, digging. The joust. Oh, Ferrer.
Ferrer tried.
And
two touches.
he's called for a two-touch violation, but the effort really, after...
Alam mo kanina, doon sa gitna ng net,
Ayun,
as you see, kanina sa gitna rin, natapakan din niya yung paa ni Vargas earlier on. So she's had a couple of dings on that right ankle. Oh, yun na yung sinasabi natin. What a pancake save from Agno. De Jesus says, I'm going to go back to that same spot. Well, the crowd enjoying the action here, both from the offensive side and defensive side. Look at that.
Agno.
Favorite shot of Doc Ian Laurel.
Great save from Agno. But again, nung take two, nung binigay ulit doon, hindi na nakadepensa ang FU. And Ateneo has taken advantage of that
Goes out.
empty hole there in the middle.
Now it's
Donut hole.
Ilang beses na yan.
Set point here for Ateneo.
service.
24-18. Without Gretchen who won the first set. Gem has totally abandoned her jump serve. Not a single one this year.
Nice save again.
Agno really just saving everything. Banyel is checked. Chance for Ateneo to put it away. But a free ball given to FEU. Rojas slammed by the rookie. First set to the number 2 squad.
Great read by Alisa Valdez. This was going to Rojas. Look at her perfectly timing her jump, getting a single block. Nice play.
So it's 24-18 as Ateneo puts this one away. 25-18, by the way, for the first set going to the Lady Eagles. Back in a moment.